Check him out now. No, he's getting in it. Inside of it. Oh, my bird feet getting wet. You little thief. Look at him. I had to empty some memory, and I missed some of it. Oh, check out that cardinal. Female cardinal. She beautiful. I don't know if you can see her or not. Check him out. He chewed the line. That's part of it laying there. Chewed the whole thing to get it off there. I'm going to have to get a wire to poke through there now. Look at my cardinals. I think that's a juvenile. Check it out. Is that not the coolest thing? Check him out. I'm going to get real close here. He's just oblivious to me. He don't care. He's busy eating. There he goes. Check him out! Hey there, you a-hole. Check him out. He's just oblivious to what's going on. It's so cool. Check him out. Oh, he's just having a good time filling his belly. He's a young one. I think it's a female. I can't wait to post this. This is going to be awesome. I just hope I can post it. Check out the cardinal. They're having a good time because he's just... Look at him. See, that's the baby. Oh, here comes them blackbirds. There's the young cardinal. See the babies? Mama's there somewhere. There's Nuts. My squirrel friend. Look at him. I wonder what would happen if I open the window. Check him out. Man, I gotta get this posted.